How to create a Steam account. So if this video helped you, click that subscribe button and that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are more uploads in this channel. So what we'll do first is go to your browser, and for this I am using Chrome, and click on Steam, or in the search bar click on it and search on Steam. Go to welcome to Steam and click on login in the website. So since we don't have a account at the moment, click on join Steam, and in here you can enter your email address and you can confirm your password and things like that, just like creating an account for any other social media website. So you can also click here, I am not a robot, to verify that you are not a robot. So just click on it so to complete the captcha and click on continue. So after continuing, you will be going to verify that you have signed in here through your email. So after verifying, you can create your account. So you can state your account name or your username for your Steam account, and also you can put in your password. And you can also use this to log into your Steam. So I hope this helps, and see you on the next video.